Good morning, Steve Freed with the morning grain comments. Markets are mixed right now with soybean oil, soybean meal, and corn lower while wheat's higher. Stocks are lower, dollars higher, and crude is lower. As far as the grains are concerned, I think that we're looking at a 2-week forecast that is warm and dry across most of the Midwest, which should allow for planting of the corn crop. Could begin to stress the hard red winter wheat crop, and it continues to be dry in Europe, and that is pushing wheat prices higher. We also note that about the same time last year, we saw a break in corn and soybean prices as we put a temporary top in the marketplace because of crops getting planted and a shift in export demand from U.S. to South America and then Ukraine. I think Ukraine, the war continues. We're probably not going to see as much exports of corn out of Ukraine. South American crops are smaller, and I think eventually, once the market cleanses itself from some of this weather premium, we'll start putting on a more weather premium down the road. 8 to 14 days, pretty much dry across most of everything west of the Mississippi River, and warm temperatures in the western Corn Belt, southern plains, while we're seeing cool temperatures in the Northeast and the Pacific Northwest. We're still seeing some on and off rains across the parts of the northern plains, which could delay spring wheat planting there. Outside markets, stocks are lower, concerned about inflation, earnings down the road. Crude oil is lower with Saudi Arabia lowering their prices, and also with the Chinese lockdown reducing demand for crude oil there. We got the dollar continuing to surge higher with economies around the world worse than what we have here, and the Fed talking about higher rates. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.